So welcome guys, today we are going to start complex numbers. So our target was to complete the whole course by July, but we can't able to do because I was busy and I got some work, so I can't able to do that. So today we are going to start our complex numbers. I hope you already know about complex number. If you don't know, first of all we have natural numbers. Okay, it starts from 1, 2, 3 to infinity. Then we have whole numbers. It starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and infinity. Then we have integers. We got some negative numbers also. Then we have integers. We start with -1, 0, 1, 2 and infinity. And here minus infinity. And then we have rational numbers. Rational numbers in here. When we have rational numbers, it's in the p by q form, and condition is q is not equal to 0. I hope you know this. I'm starting with -1, 3 by 4, like that. Okay. Then we have real numbers. Roots also started coming. Root 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1, like all that. Okay. Then what happens? I'll tell you the whole story. Wait. There is a simple quadratic x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x square is equal to -1. Okay. Then this will go here. I know it's not it's imaginary. I hope you know, because root can never come inside. Root can never come inside. So you can write root -1 as iota. This is iota. Okay. It's imaginary quantity. Then I is equal to -1. You have to remember this. I square is equal to -1. I cube is equal to -I. I to the power 4 is 1. I to the power 5. Same and it's same continues. Okay. Then a simple question. I to power 100 plus I to power 20 plus I to power 20. You have to solve it. Pause the video and try to solve. How to solve it? Yeah, 100 is here. There's 4. There's 2. There's 4 is 0. 5. And you have to divide by 4 because it's general form. I hope you know this. Here is 5. Okay. So we have to check the remainder is 0. And power is 100 is 0 plus I. It's 20 divided by 5. 4. This is 5. Okay. It's I to the power 0. And I to the power 24 divided by 4. If 5, then it's 20. And then by base 1, then it's I. Power 1, I to the power 1 is I. We hope you know this. It's 1. It's 1. It's 2 plus I. Answer. Okay. I hope you understand it. I am teaching fast because it's the basics, and I know you are. Everybody knows basics. Don't come in my class if you don't know the basics of these concepts. Okay. So I'll start with some high-level questions. First of all, complex number. It's real plus imaginary. For example, x plus iy. This is the real part. This is the imaginary part. Hope you know this. Then we are gonna tackle with some this of the questions. Simple that imaginary numbers and you don't have any doubt. For example, there is question to the power minus 19. It's homework for you. The pause the video and try it. I'll discuss the concept tomorrow. But just wait. I think so it's a homework for you. I hope you can do it. There are some proofs I'm going to discuss. What you will do if there is like what you will do? If you don't know the basics, don't come in my class. I took a 39. You can draw here 1 by 39. 39 you have to divide by 4, 9, 36. What's 9 minus 6? It's 3. It's 1 by minus 9. Okay. That's the answer. 1 by. I hope you grasp the basics. Wait a second. You will deal with some questions because practice is very important. Today I told you about imaginary numbers. So I'm going to give you a question. 1 plus I, 1 plus I square, 1 plus I cube, 1 plus I to power 4. What's the value of this? So pause the video, only take 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. Okay, let's go. 1 plus I, you have to give an right there. It's not minus 2, it's 1 minus I. Yeah, 1 minus I. 1 minus 1 minus I. 1 plus I. You can see, you have to just improve your listening, not listening, you see this. It's 1 minus 1. It's 10 to 0, answer will be 0. Don't use your mind, just see the basics. Just see it. Okay. Okay, there is one question. You see. You just need to be fast, very fast. Just like fast. It's basics. Yes. One plus I to the power 4 minus 1 minus I to the power 4. You can use binomial expansion also. If you don't know, you can simply do it. I know this. 1 plus I square plus 2i. It's whole square minus 1 minus 4. 1 minus I square plus I square minus 2i. It's whole square. It's whole square now also. You can use 1 minus 1 plus 2i whole square minus 1 minus 1 minus 2i. Okay. This cancel. It's 4i square minus 4i square. It's square of 4i square minus 4. It's plus 4. Answer gonna be 0. No, answer is wrong. Wait. Answer is wrong. I'm sorry. You are homework guys, homework. It's confirmed. You homework. I teach you argument in next class. When you see this question. I to the power 5 plus I to the power 6 plus I to the power 7 plus I to the power 8 plus I to the power 8 plus I to the power 9 1 plus I plus I to the power 5. You have to do it like this. I told you. It's 1. It's 8. 6, 4. Let's divide it by 4 and whatever the remainder is, that's it. Plus I cube plus I to the power 0 minus Can you now just say 7 by 4 it's 4 it's 1. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay, like this. I am teaching in speed because I don't have to waste my time in this part. I minus 1 plus I plus 1 plus I on the other side. This can 2I plus I 1 plus I 2I plus 2I square plus I plus I square. Two I plus 2I square plus I square. 2I minus 2 plus I minus 1. So 3I minus 2 minus answer. This is your answer. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll start integration. Thanks for watching.